Hello, Erie focused on a double-sided knit in this video. A honeycomb-like pattern is on one side, while a waffle knit is on the other. There are 2 loops and 4 rows in the scheme. Its canvas is alive, airy, and mobile, but at the same time, its structure makes it tight and resistant to relaxation. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side. Knit all the stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 2 right side. The repeat pattern is purl 1 from the bottom row. Slip 1 with yarn over. Again, purl 1 from the bottom row and slip 1 with yarn over, purl 1 from the bottom row and slip 1 with yarn over. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 3 wrong side. The repeat pattern is knit 1, slip 2 with yarn over. Again, knit 1, slip 2 with yarn over. Knit 1, slip 2 with yarn over. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 4 right side. The repeat pattern is purl 1, knit 3 together, 1 loop and 2 yarn over loop, through the front. Again, purl 1, knit 3 together, purl 1, knit 3 together. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. I have presented you with a well-structured double-sided knit that may be used for blouses, cardigans, capes, and scarves for all seasons. I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.